Hi, my name is Richard Evans. I'm one of the clinic directors here at the Back and Body Clinic.
At the Back and Body Clinic, we are proud to offer a number of cutting-edge services to help our patients get better as quickly as possible.
We have been working with the industry-leading Footscan technology and Phits 3D printed orthotics for the past year and have been blown away by the quality, precision, usability, ease and the comfort of the system.
Footscan allows our team of expert therapists to precisely identify areas of imbalance, load and dysfunction to aid in the diagnosis of our patients' issues, as well as help them to better understand the root causes. The pressure measurement technology has over 8,000 high-speed sensors which delivers accurate real-time feedback for activities such as standing, walking, running, squatting and a range of sport-specific movements and positions.
Our therapists work in collaboration with their patients to understand the issues at hand and to educate them on the optimal solutions. The Footscan software facilitates this process seamlessly by providing easy to understand visual data in the form of images, 3D visualizations and graphs. The clinical team also participate in regular in-house gait analysis training. This is to ensure they all know how to identify patients who are appropriate for a foot scan and orthotic. We are delighted to be able to offer this revolutionary Phits technology, the world's first 3D printed bespoke orthotics based on dynamic data. Our experts are able to work alongside their patients to develop completely custom insoles to suit their exact needs.
The level of customization is truly amazing and we're able to design and build insoles for walking, running, cycling, skiing, golfing and for safety boots to name just a few.
Phits are the choice of multiple British and world champion athletes across a spectrum of sports. We are proud to offer this same award-winning technology to our patients. We are so impressed with the Footscan and Phits system that we have implemented this technology across all our sites and have an ever-growing team of expert therapists to help you resolve your pain and optimise your performance with this fantastic technology. For more information or to book an appointment online, please visit www.backandbodyclinic.co.uk. We're here to help.